Bitcoin, BTC, was trading at about $21,700 at one point on Wednesday, up more than 2% over the past 24 hours. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization topped $20,000 for the first time since October 5. Ether, ETH, was recently changing hands above $1,550, a more than 5% gain from Tuesday, same time. The tech-heavy Nasdaq fell about 2%, while the S&P 500 dropped 0.6%. Brent crude oil rose to $94 per barrel, up about 0.27% from the previous day. Safe haven gold was up 0.7% at $1,664 per ounce. Housing starts plunged nearly 11% in September, continuing a recent trend that some observers hope will enable the Federal Reserve to ratchet back monetary hawkishness. Before we continue, if you enjoyed watching the video, please share your thoughts by clicking the like button and writing them in the comments section below. If you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, you will be among the first people to find out when new videos are published on the channel. So let's just get started. Bitcoin, BTC, returned to $21,000 for the first time since September after the October 26 Wall Street open as buyers solidified gains. BTC Bull Z-Task liquidity data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView followed BTC/USD as it hit local highs of $21,012 on Bitstamp. Liquidations also kept flowing, with the past 24 hours delivering $750 million in liquidated positions on Bitcoin alone, according to data from CoinGlass. Cross-crypto liquidations totaled $1.43 billion, adding to what was already the highest tally in 2022 so far. The spotlight was instead on gold, which also saw a relief rally as the US dollar struggled. The overall crypto market capitalization, which had lost significant value over the year, came within 5% of the $1 trillion mark on the day. The Polygon price prediction is bullish above 82 cents, especially since it has broken through a symmetrical triangle pattern on the upper side. Polygon's market price has surged 200% in the last 4 months from its low point in June 2022 of 31 cents. As of late, though, the token's price has begun to show symptoms of rising sharply once more, and now it's trading at the 93 cents level, having soared more than 1% in the last 24 hours and over 7% in 7 days. MATIC's exchange balance falls to a 9-month low on October 26. The total supply of MATIC owned by cryptocurrency exchanges dropped to 802.15%, its lowest level since January 2022. This week, the MATIC/USD pair has broken out of a symmetrical triangle pattern that had been extending major resistance near the 80 cents level. Google today agreed to improve its legal compliance program after losing data related to BTC, a criminal crypto exchange investigated and shut down by the FBI for alleged money laundering in 2017. The tech giant will ensure timely and complete responses to legal process such as subpoenas and search warrants, going forwards, according to a news release from the Department of Justice on Wednesday. The department served a search warrant on Google in 2016, demanding the company turn over data the company held concerning BTC. However, Google leaned on a standing legal precedent that limited such requests to data stored on American soil. However, the data originally sought by the Justice Department had already been lost. The Sushi DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization behind crypto exchange SushiSwap, has approved a legal restructuring on October 26 that creates 3 new decentralized entities, aiming to provide more flexibility to its operations. The proposal, which received 100% votes in favor, will create the DAO Foundation, the Panamanian Foundation, and the Panamanian Corporation, each serving different purposes. Among other things, the DAO Foundation will be able to administer treasury, grants and on-chain governance processes, and facilitate proposals and voting. The Panamanian Foundation will administer the existing Sushi protocol, including smart contracts related to the AMM/order book, cash and staking. As per the preposition discussion, the process to set up the entity structure is expected to take 4 weeks. The move came as authorities in the United States and Union European continue to work on frameworks for regulating digital assets. After weeks of prolonged consolidation and range-bound trading where the price seemed stuck around $19,000, the cryptocurrency added over $1,500 in the past 24 hours alone. At the time of this writing, BTC is found at $20,600, up 6.8% on the day. The events of late have also left around $1 billion worth of short positions being liquidated. Data from the popular cryptocurrency analytics resource, CryptoQuant, reveals that this is the highest number of short positions being liquidated since October 2020. At the time of this writing, the total liquidations stand around $1.12 billion, where almost $1 billion of this comes from short positions. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange by volume, launched its native Oracle service on Wednesday to enable smart contracts to run on real-world inputs and outputs, starting with the BNB chain ecosystem. Oracles are third-party services that fetch external data to a blockchain. Oracles are therefore used to ensure that accurate data is being used on decentralized finance, DeFi, applications and similar products based on any blockchain. Oracles can also be bidirectional, allowing them to send data to the outside world. The service is, however, chain agnostic and will eventually support more blockchains as well. Binance oracles would source price data from several centralized crypto exchanges to ensure data reliability. Equifax teams up with Oasis Labs to develop identity management and Know Your Customer (KYC) product for Web3 projects. Web3 refers to the next phase of the Internet, which proponents believe will be built upon blockchain networks and make use of cryptocurrency. The two companies will build a solution by issuing anonymous KYC-ed credentials to Web3 users' wallets. Equifax made headlines in 2017 after suffering a massive data breach revealing personal details of 143 million US customers. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao says that the crypto exchange is making progress on identifying those responsible for the theft of Binance Coin, BNB, worth approximately $570 million in a cross-bridge exploit. Responding to a question on what can be done to reduce crypto hacking incidents, Zhao says in a new CNBC interview that the exchange has received information from law enforcement authorities on a possible suspect involved in the heist. What was hacked was a cross-chain bridge that sits between two open blockchains that were hacked. According to the Binance CEO, educating users and assisting software developers to write safer code are some of the other measures that can be taken to reduce hacking incidents in the crypto space. The Norwegian government is taking steps to embrace Web3 with the establishment of a Metaverse tax office. At the Nokia's conference on Wednesday, the Brønnøysund, Norway's central register, and Skatteetaten, the nation's tax authority, announced that they're partnering with consulting firm Ernst & Young, A, to establish an office in Decentraland. The goal of the initiative, according to Nokia's, is to deliver services to younger, tech-native individuals while establishing their Web3 footprint. Beyond the Metaverse, Norway has been slowly integrating crypto services at a national level. Saber Bank, a crypto-friendly bank based in Switzerland, has added an NFT custody solution that gives customers the ability to hold well-known NFTs without managing private keys themselves. The group will enable clients to store any Ethereum-based non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which includes popular collections like Bored Apes and CryptoPunks. Though the NFT market remains in decline from its peak in late 2021 and January of this year, assets are still attracting buyers. The custody service is a response to the uptick in institutional investors eyeing the NFT space.